So today I'm going to show you how to add Venmo to your DoorDash account. Now we're here on our DoorDash app in real time. You can see we're on the current homepage of the account. We just got to go over to the right-hand side where you see the Me tab and the profile icon. Let's click on this. And that's going to take us to our page over here. Towards the top, you're going to see where it says settings and it has that little gear icon. Let's click on this option. And then this settings page over here, down towards the first couple options, you're going to see where it says payment. You could either click on the word payment or the right-hand arrow for it. And that's going to take you to your payment methods. You'll see all your saved payment methods here towards the top. And then you'll see where it says add payment methods. And you should see Venmo over here as an option. You could either click the word Venmo or the right-hand arrow, either option. And then from here, it's going to ask if you want to open up your Venmo app. So we're going to go ahead and click on open. Now that's going to take us right over here inside of our Venmo app, and it's going to ask us how we want to go ahead and pay for DoorDashes. Now we can have it check marked for our Venmo balance, and then we can choose whichever backup method we want to have on file. So if everything looks good here with all the checkbox and which card is going to be the backup, we can click on the word confirm here at the very bottom. And then that brings us all the way back to our DoorDash account. And now you can see our Venmo here is saved under the saved payment methods. And now it is check marked right over here with this little checkbox. Now we have more to show you when it comes to managing your finances. So check out our video right over here on screen to keep on learning.